everybody, it's Falcon and Bug here, and today we are going to be opening a Five Nights at Freddy's arcade vinyl set. So we have the box right here, and we just opened it and haven't looked at them yet. So here we go.
And it's from
Funko. Yes, Funko, and it's from Hot Toys.
So we have Flush Trap.
No, show me.
We have Flush Trap.
Toy Freddy. Foxy.
My favorite character is Golden Freddy, but I'm not sure if he's in this set.
Mine's either Foxy or just Nightmare Freddy.
The favorite one in my set, the favorite one in this set is probably the Nightmare Freddy.
Because Nightmare Freddy is cool.
Yeah. So wait, I'm not sure if Nightmare Freddy is in the which game is he in? And then next there's Golden Freddy.
So there is those Five Nights at Freddy's arcade vinyls. My favorite one in the actual game is probably Nightmare Foxy, but in the set, my favorite is Nightmare Freddy.
Out of all 5 of the games, I think it is, not including Sister Location, mine is probably Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's 5.
Okay, leave in the comments below like what your favorite FNAF character is.
And you could also put what your favorite Sister Location character is, since we've done a video on that.
I don't know why they didn't have Chica in this one.
Oh yeah, maybe it's just like
It's not on the back either. You can see there's no Chica in the set.
well, there's
Or Mangle.
a picture of
There's Chica on the side, but there's no Chica in the set.
and Bonnie.
Here. Thank you for watching our Five Nights at Freddy's arcade vinyl video. And so leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below what your favorite Funko Pop toy of these, or not Pop toy, Funko toy of these is, and what your favorite character in the game is. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Peace out.